Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be playing Jelly Truck. I was filming this, but then it just stopped recording, so I'm just going to do it all over again. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. There's no other cars, surprisingly, since this is a I don't know where I am. I'm inside the truck, yeah. I don't know. Get out the way, blocks. Everything is made out of jelly in my world, so. Lamppost, get down, make me a bridge. I'm just gonna keep on doing front flips. And easy. Yeah. Next, level 2. Walls, get down. Okay, perfect. Elevator, take me up. I said, take me up. I said, bring me up. I'm not that heavy. You should be able to lift me. Thank you. You know that you're going kind of slow. Can you hurry up, thanks? Okay. Whee! Made out of jelly. What do you mean I failed? I'm made out of jelly. How can I be squished when I wasn't even squished? Perfect. Lift me up and go faster. Thank you. Okay. Whee! Okay, don't squish me this time. The game is squishing me. I don't know. The game was malfunctioning. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Go! Go, Jelly Truck! You can do it! Yeah. Thanks, Jelly Truck. What's this? A leg? I don't know, I don't remember. Whee! I'm doing it. Yeah, thanks for the clap. An ad? Great. Okay, that's done that. Level 4. Wait, I think I skipped one. I don't know. Choose a level. I think it was level 3 I'm on. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. One second, let me see. One second. Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to be on level 3. Windmill, take me. Stop squishing me. Push me to walk. Okay. Move out the way, yellow sticks. I don't know. Why is there blocks in the middle of the road? Front flip. Elevator. You're not very stable, elevator. Why are you you don't have any edges? Like anything or something. I don't know. Take me. Oh, never mind. Use your automatic button. Wait. Oh, I got an upgrade. Yay. Do I get to keep the car? Or... Yeah, thank you for the car. Okay, level 4. Let's go. Okay, yeah, I do keep the car. You know, this car is really slow. I want my old one back. I got scammed with this car. Is this car even made out of jelly? I don't know. It's called Jelly Truck for a reason. Yeah, this car sucks. I've been scammed. No, I'm just gonna do. This is way quicker. Whee! Okay, I didn't get crushed. I mean, I'm made out of jelly. What did I expect? Whee! 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 Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. This car sucks. Go forward, please. Okay. Thank you. Why is there a ball? Push it. It can't be. It's jelly. It's bigger than me. Yeah. I never add this up. Level 5. Here I come. Oh my goodness. Oh. I just got flung. I'm about to be flung again. There's a platform that I need to get on top of. So, hopefully I can do that without taking like a million tries. Please launch me further. No, that's too low. I'm made out of jelly. I'm supposed to be very light. What's happening with you? Yep, okay. Push me. Wait, you know what? This sucks. Oh my goodness. I fell. Can I get on top of that? Like, the top? I can. And I'm stuck like this. No. Let's try that again. Push me. You know what? I'm gonna be back when I actually make it to the plot. A little update. I made it. Okay. Why is this so hard? Get me between these. Okay. Wee. Oh, okay. And I made it. That was so easy. Thank you. Next mission. Level 6. This is when it stopped recording. So, I got a little box with me, okay? It's fine, leave the box behind. Never mind, you can't drop the box. Box, stay in the trolley. Thank you. There's a lot of mountains in this, so you better hang on tight. You stupid box. What did I say? Hang on tight. What did you do? Fall off. You know, this is my job, and yeah, I'm supposed to be keeping you safe and not damaged, so. You also have to be safe in this box. What's even in you? What's so important? Is it gold? I'll take it. I better be paid a lot for this. No, don't fall out. Please, not now. I made it so far. Please, Mr. Box, please don't fall out now. Why is this hill so big? Box, do not fall out. Okay, there. Oh my goodness, you're so problematic. Is that a word? You're so... Never mind. Another ad. This sucks. Level 7. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Am I supposed to go down there? I don't know. Oh, okay. One second, just get back on all twos and... Oh my goodness. Please, I need to be... I'm late for something. I don't know what I'm late for, but... Yeah. I don't know where am I driving to, but what am I doing, but... Okay, you know what? I can't get up. Why is this in the middle of the game anyway? Okay. Okay, is this gonna close on me? It's shaking and I don't like that. Yeah, close. Then I'm gonna go. No, hurry up. Jelly truck, I swear. Hurry. Okay, you don't do it front foot, okay. Thank you, that only took... What, is this another lamppost or is this an elevator? It's an elevator. Whee! I thought my wheel got stuck in the thingy for a second. Yep, like 100 stars. 1 star. Are you kidding me? What's this? Whee! Oh, okay. The flag is there. Do I get to go? Yeah, okay, no more. What? I don't. Elevator, where are you gonna take me? Please. They're like the same. What? Oh, I'm supposed to get that car. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! How do I fit in that? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh, and it's open. That's what all I had to do. Nice. Help. I might be short, but I'm tall. Wait, what? 0 stars, are you kidding me? I did so well on that, and then another ad. Great. Level 9. I'm still stuck onto a balloon. Okay. Go forward. Never mind the forward button. How do I control? Okay, so the left, right is go forward. The right is going up. Okay, I got this. Go backwards. Go forwards. Go forwards. Go forwards. Thank you. And then another lamppost. Go forward. Go forward, please. Whee! Oh. Another one of these. Is my balloon gonna pop? I don't know. Oh well. It doesn't pop. Nice. And it also doesn't get squished. Oh wait, no. That's the up button. I'm too tall for this. It's fine. Sorry, balloon. And then up again. Oh, okay. I'm taking you with me. Never mind. It's fine. Go forward. Go forward. It's right there. It's right there. Oh. How many stars do I get? None? Okay, I got 1. Good enough. Next, level 10. What does this do? Oh. Damn, okay. Okay. Elevator, lift me up. You know, this elevator is kind of cool. It just levitates by itself. Probably Harry Potter on his wand. No, he's gonna like hit me. Okay, whee! Oh, okay. It's right there. It's right there. Yay! How many stars do I get? Oh, nice. Okay, an ad. Okay, I'm back and it put me in a hamster ball. I'm a truck, not a hamster, but oh well. Whee! Okay, get out of the way, lamp. I'm trying to get through. Oh, thank you. I thought that was going to be like way harder. Oh well. A win is a win. How do I get up this ledge? Please, please. Thank you. Whee! Okay. Go forward. This can't get up. You know, I'm gonna build momentum. I'm gonna go back. And then... Oh, maybe I have to go more back. Oh! I'm gonna get back here. 2 stars! I was so good at that. I only took like a few tries to find the flag. I was planning to go forward for like 10 minutes, but... Okay. I got my car back. Nice. Whee! Okay, stairs. A truck driving on stairs. Perfect. How do I... No. Okay, let's try this again. Whee! Okay, You know what? Those stairs were really easy to get up to, but why are these stairs so hard? Oh my goodness, I did it! Yay! What is this? Oh, nice. Excuse me, I'm not a bowling ball, I'm a truck. Wait, okay. Oh, okay, bring me up. Where am I going? I made it! Yay! How many stars do I get? 3. Nice, and then add. Level 30, then I've got to push a ball. Let's go, ball. I don't know what if I just don't bring you. I don't know. Whatever. Let's just go. Yeah, thanks for the help, little spinny thing. Go! So fat, you're bigger than me, Mr. Ball. Why do I even need you? For company? Go! Go! I mean, if they want me to bring you, you have to help at some point. Can you just like get in the back of my truck and then just... Oh, I'm supposed to put the ball in that. Why didn't you go in that? Okay, now I know that I need the ball now. Let's go, ball. Go forward. Can you walk on your own? I'll attach one wheel to you and then you can drive like a unicycle. Get move out the way, Mr. Ball. No, move out the way. I'll be back. Okay, I got him out of the way. Now I just gotta put myself. Okay, go, go, go. What are you doing? Go. 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 My goodness, go. Why are you so heavy? Oh my goodness. Momentum. Yes, finally. Get in your thingy. Why is there? Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. Mission complete. How many stars do I get? That has to be at least 3, but oh well. Next, an ad. Okay, and it changed my car. After this round, I am done. You know, this car is really fast. This is gonna be the last round I'm gonna do. Okay, you know, this sound is really loud and just... Anyways, oh my goodness, this car is really fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that was really fast. I was expecting that to be like 10 minutes. Okay. Where am I going? I think that was the fastest round ever. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all for today. Bye.